So this series is called The Feminine Approach to Vinyasa, and it's based on the classic Ashtanga Vinyasa sequence and practice. I've come to a way of practicing in my own experience that felt less pushy and more soft, more embracing, more nurturing and nourishing for the body along my years of practice. And so I am looking into the same principles that Ashtanga Vinyasa has, like Tristana, breath, Bandha, and Drishti. And the same sequences, the primary sequence, is what we'll be focusing on in this series. But we'll be looking at how to modify. So you can also just be very gentle within the practice, but still very deep as a practitioner, because the depth is actually on the inside and not about pushing or forcing, and definitely not about hurting the body. So we'll look into all these yummy sorts of ways of practicing to make it really suit our bodies, and especially if you're in a woman's body, how to move in a way that really honors your unique shape. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for joining me.